Advantage lifts, backyard buddy lifts. How are they the same? How are they different? Let's explore these questions further. One of the biggest differences is where the lifts are assembled and shipped out of. Backyard buddy lifts are assembled and shipped out of Warren, Ohio. Advantage lifts are shipped to a few ports around the country and then sent to warehouses from there. 4-post backyard buddy and advantage lifts have the same basic design and safety features. They both come with automatic wheel stops. When the lift gets raised, the wheel stops engage. All of our 4-post lifts utilize an outside slider design, which creates stability and a lack of a swaying movement when the vehicle is raised on the lift. The posts are also very similar, with Backyard Buddy having a 4-inch by 4-inch design and the Advantage having a 5 by 5-inch post. The cables are 3/8 inch on the Backyard Buddy, and they increase to 1/2 inch on the Advantage lifts. The pulleys are smaller on the Backyard Buddy as well. In addition to the safety design of the outside sliders, both styles of lifts also utilize a secondary locking mechanism in case the primary lock were to ever fail. There are some quality of life differences between the lifts. On the Backyard Buddy, the ramps are made of steel and lock into the automatic wheel stops. This ensures the ramps won't move when driving a vehicle onto the lift. They also can stay attached when the lift is raised. Advantage ramps are made of aluminum and rest freely under the wheel stops when the lift is lowered. Another difference between the lifts are the casters. Advantage casters are significantly bigger and heavier and use steel pins to secure them to the lift. Backyard Buddy casters are designed to easily hook into the lift and are very easy to add and remove. When comparing the lifts side by side, there are minor variations in size. Advantage lifts are overall built bigger and are designed to carry more weight on them. Both lifts are engineered to be overbuilt and to handle lifting most vehicles safely and with ease. Whatever your need is, and no matter what the size of your garage is, it's safe to say that there's a Backyard Buddy or an Advantage lift that is a perfect fit for you and your vehicles.